What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Smay, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to make your first $1,000 as fast as possible. I know that I struggled a lot making my first $1,000, so I wanted to tell you guys how I made my first $1,000 and how you guys can make your first $1,000 as fast as possible. So the first step that we're going to jump right into is that you guys have to believe that you guys can make $1,000 and in a short amount of time with that. My thing was that I just kept saving money and I didn't know exactly if I could even get to $1,000 at first. I was about like 15, 16. I had a couple $100 saved and I made a huge amount of mistakes saving and spending and basically making money compared to how much I was spending money. So the first step you guys have to be able to do is believing that you can achieve this goal. Now, after $1,000, you guys can scale it to as big as you guys want, 10,000, 100,000, $1 million. But for now, we're gonna make it as simple as possible and let's get to $1,000 first. The second step that we're gonna be jumping right into is that you guys have to learn how to resell things. Resell. Learn how to flip things, basically. Flipping term is buying something for low and selling it for a higher price. The most simple thing that I can think of is reselling shoes. Reselling Jordans, Yeezys, and so forth. You guys can make it easy $50, $100 like in seconds, in minutes. Now you guys might get lucky with raffles. You guys should look into signing up for raffles for shoes. You guys can download the sneakers app to look up all the sneakers that are coming out soon. You guys can get a notification, a reminder that you guys can go and buy it when it drops. And then to look up the resale price or the market value, you guys can download StockX. And StockX is basically a platform where you guys can see the price values of shoes for the resale value. So you can sell through StockX or you can sell through people if you guys know people. Now, if you guys do the inline or like first come first serve, if you guys wait in line for a store and buy the shoe there, you guys will meet plenty of people who do reselling and you guys can talk to them, connect. But I'm pretty sure now that we're kind of all in quarantine, I don't think there's first come first serve, so everything's probably online. So your best chance is raffles or trying to cop it online. So besides shoes, there's plenty of other things you guys can resell. Another app that you guys should look into downloading is OfferUp. You guys should download OfferUp because they have a wide variety of things that people are selling. You guys can sell things on there that you guys have, maybe old things that you don't use anymore, clothes, shoes, bikes, whatever. Now you guys can also buy things for the low and sell it on that for even higher to other people. You'd be surprised how dumb people are for when they sell and how dumb people are when they buy. So you can take advantage of this and buy low and sell high. Now this is a small scale, so for $1,000 this is very feasible that you guys can make $20, $50, $100 flipping things, whatever it may be. It could be iPhones. Now if you guys aren't 18 yet, I'm not even gonna get into stocks, but if you guys are 18, obviously flipping stocks is a thing. Like you guys buy low, sell high. So if you guys are 18, check my videos on the stock market out, how to trade, how to buy and sell in the stock market. Now for everyone else, for the general public, we're gonna be talking about other things that you guys can be reselling, such as baseball cards, Pokemon cards, Yu-Gi-Oh cards, sports cards basically. The new hype, new trend right now is sports cards and Pokemon cards. Now, I'm not a fan of buying and selling cards, but however, I know that is a huge market right now. You guys can get lucky buying packs of Pokemon cards and getting a super rare card that you guys can sell for $1,000, $10,000. If you guys have seen Logan Paul's video, he got like a $100,000 box, I think, or was it 100,000 or 200,000? But he was able to flip it for like each card he pulled out of a pack could be worth like $20, $50, $100,000. Ridiculous, right? Even Graham Stephan and Andrew Zick, I'm sorry if I butchered that, but they've even gotten to Pokemon cards. So if big YouTubers, finance YouTubers like those can get into this, then I'm sure you guys can get into it. So the next thing that you guys need to make your first $1,000 is get a job. I know if you guys resell on the side, but something that you have to be able to do is have a stable source of income. So I want you guys to get a job. Now, that's gonna be easier said than done, because I know that when I was about 15, I could not find a job to save my life. Basically, I had to look and apply and I was lucky enough actually to have a friend. Now, for you guys, if you guys have friends who are working already, ask them if you can work. Ask them if you can apply. So it doesn't even matter. As long as you apply yourself, I'm sure you'll get a job. It might be at Starbucks, it might be at McDonald's. Hey, no one's judging you. As long as you're making your bread, no one's judging you. So back to my story. I had gotten a friend, and she actually got me a job at an ice cream shop making $8 an hour. So that's nothing. That's minimum wage basically. But it was able to launch me into saving money, getting my first paycheck. The best feeling is getting my first paycheck when I was like 15. I think it was like $96, but it was one of the best feelings I've ever had, because before then, I was spending my parents' money or money that I was flipping for. Like, it wasn't special, but it was special to me. If you guys get your first job, you guys will definitely be able to reach $1,000 much easier, even if it's minimum wage. It's very important that you get a job, because your method of talking to someone and communicating with coworkers or your customers, it's very important that you learn a certain type of language. It's almost a special type of jargon that you have to be able to communicate with them. Now, it's not like talking to your friends, it's not like talking to your parents, it's not like talking to your teachers. It's very different and very unique. This type of experience can launch you towards huge business ventures in the future. Besides having your first job, I think that you guys should be able to sell services. Now, what does that mean? That might sound really weird, or not, maybe, I don't know, but selling services could be like doing a photo shoot for someone, taking their pictures, or editing their video, or doing your brother's laundry for like $5. That's not a personal story at all, but you guys should be able to do something for someone and they pay you for it. Now, I know me and my friends used to shovel snow. One of my friends mow lawn. Babysitting is something that you do on the side. If a friend needs you to take their pictures for prom or a photo shoot just for every day, you guys can definitely help them out, and they give you a couple bucks. It might be 10, it might be 20, who knows? It's up to you to negotiate, and that's part of learning how to do business. To be able to profit for yourself, you have to be selfless and provide a service for others. This is something that I've learned slowly over time. When you provide for someone else, it's almost naturally that something will provide for you, or they will provide for you. For example, like I'm talking in this YouTube video, I'm providing information for some people, for you guys, if you guys are watching. Obviously, I'm providing it for you, and I just hope you guys learn and enjoy it, and hopefully in the future YouTube can reward me. But besides that, the next thing that we should work on to get to your first $1,000 is saving everything and living frugally. Is frugally a word? I don't know, but live frugal, but live very frugal. Now, that means living below your means. If you guys work a minimum paying job and you guys go ball out at Louis Vuitton, you guys are gonna struggle. I need to say that you guys have to be able to save money. If you guys want to see a video on how to save money, you guys can check this video out. I have it somewhere. But you guys should be able to save most of the money you make, because obviously you're not making that much. So if you guys don't save a lot, it's gonna take a very long time to get to $1,000. So what I want you guys to do is spend only on what you need, and wait until you make a lot more money to spend it on what you want. And I know you guys are capable of doing this. If you guys are still watching this video, let me know, guys, what do you guys want to buy that you guys probably shouldn't be buying? Comment below. Let's say you make $8, $10 an hour, right? And you spend $10 on a meal, you're spending an hour that you confined yourself to a space and worked. So you worked for an hour for this money, now you just spent it. Use your time wisely, and if you do spend time working on your money, then save it and make your money grow, which leads me to my next step to making your $1,000. When you do save this money, I hope that you guys can find a high interest savings account or if you guys are 18 and older, you guys can invest in the stock market. Now, there's a stigma or a fear of the stock market that I want you guys to get out of. The stereotype that people lose their money in the stock market is for the people that buy and sell penny stocks or trade penny stocks that go up really fast and go down really fast. Now, there are stocks that don't move that much or go up little by little by little, and you're able to get a return every month, every 3 months, called dividends. So this is basically a style of investing where your money grows slowly, and it's very safe. There are stocks that you guys can put that $1,000 towards, and you'll be able to save it, and it'll return you a couple cents, a couple dollars a month. Now, obviously that's not a lot, but obviously it's better than nothing if you just have cash. So that's it for me, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys get to $1,000. And if you guys are close to $1,000, let me know. And if you guys are still on your way there, good luck, guys. I hope you guys have learned something. I hope I helped you guys. And if you guys enjoyed my content, please smash the like button for me. Click subscribe if you guys want more content like this. And with that, guys, I'll catch you next time. Peace out.